Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a credit card with First Republic Bank step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the First Republic Bank website. Locate the Personal Banking section on the homepage. Click on the Credit Cards option. Select the specific credit card you wish to register. Look for a button that says Register or Activate Card. Click on that button to proceed. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your personal information as prompted. Enter your full name as it appears on your credit card. Input the card number from your First Republic Bank credit card. Provide the expiration date of your card. Enter the security code found on the back of your card. Next, input your Social Security number for identity verification. Fill in your date of birth in the designated field. Add your email address for account-related notifications. Input your primary phone number for further verification. Review all the entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to complete the registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to find. After registration, you can log in to manage your credit card account online. Familiarize yourself with available features such as payment options and rewards tracking. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your First Republic Bank credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.